Hey there, Instagram lovers. Looking to up your Instagram game? Here are some tips and tricks to help you take your Instagram presence to the next level. First off, make sure your profile is on point. Choose a high-quality profile picture that represents you or your brand. Write a catchy bio that tells people who you are and what you're all about. And don't forget to add a link to your website or other social media profiles. Next, let's talk about your feed. Consistency is key. Try to stick to a theme or a color scheme to keep your feed looking cohesive and visually appealing. Use high-quality photos and mix up your content to keep things interesting. You can post anything from photos and videos to carousel posts and Instagram stories. Speaking of stories, don't overlook this feature. Use stickers, GIFs, and filters to make your stories stand out. Take advantage of features like polls and questions to engage with your followers and create interactive content. If you're looking to grow your following, engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, like and comment on other people's posts, and use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility. Tagging locations and other accounts can also help expand your reach. And lastly, stay up to date with the latest Instagram features and trends, whether it's IGTV, Reels, or new filters. Being on top of what's new can help keep your content fresh and engaging. So there you have it. Some Instagram tips and tricks to help you make the most of this popular platform. Implement these strategies and watch your Instagram presence soar. Happy posting!